Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to draft cold emails using Copy AI's template. Let's get started. First, open the Copy AI and log into your account. Then here in the home page, look to the left side of the screen and tap Chat. And in the chat box, type something like this. Write a cold email for your target audience that introduce your product or service and highlight the key benefit. You can be specific and detailed about your cold emails and hit enter and wait for the copy AI to generate the draft. You can now review the output and edit any details to fit your brand tone or specific recipients. Then copy the final version and paste it into your email sender. And that's it. Be sure to personalize at least one part of the email so it feels authentic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.